Guys, DIY Sneaker Master here, back to you with another video. In this video I'll be doing a cleanup on these Jordan 14. So to get started, I'll be removing the laces and placing them in a bottle of water and soap and letting them sit. Now I'll be giving the sneakers a deep cleaning on the outside. To clean the outsides, I'll be using Jason Mark shoe cleaner. Sock liner. To do this, I'll be using OxiClean laundry detergent. To clean the sock liner, what I do is scrub the inside of the sneakers with the brush and the laundry detergent. Then I wring out the soap from the sock liner until the water that I'm wringing out is clean. After I finish cleaning the sneakers, then I'll put them in the washer machine to finish off the wash. Now I'm going to be working on removing the yellowing on the soles of the sneakers. To do this, I'll be using 40 volume cream. And after I'm done spreading the 40 volume cream on the soles of the sneakers, I'll then put it outside so that the UV rays from the sun can whiten the soles of the sneakers. I had to do 3 10 to 15 minute sessions. Now I am basically finished with this mini restoration. This is the end result. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and please share this video with your friends and family. Also, please like the video and comment. Give me ideas on how I can get better, and also ideas of future videos that I can do. And once again, thanks for watching, and until next time.